All right. So, how many of you listen to podcasts? Pretty sure most of you do. How many of you watch YouTube videos? Answer: most of you do. How many of you have purchased books on self improvement? Most of you have. I'm. I can tell you, uh, as a matter of challenge, nobody. There are very few people. Not nobody. There are very few people who have spent the amount of money I have spent on books, CDs, DVDs, uh, self improvement programs. There are very few. Okay, there are people, but they're very few. Okay, uh, from the age of 16, I'm 43, going to be 44 now. From the age of 16, I always spend every month to every week, my salary or income on books, CDs, DVDs. And it increased from $100 because I was earning small, $1,000, $2,000, to even taking multiple bank loans just to buy books, CDs, DVDs. Okay, and then it moved on to going for seminars, conferences, events. It just never stopped. Now, to tell you how many books and CDs, the stuff that I have, just to ship my books only my books and CDs, just my books from Dubai to Thailand, I had to pay 15,000 US dollars with another $5,000 extra with all the import duty, transportation costs. So a total of $20,000. Okay, $20,000 just to ship the books, just to pay for the transport, handling, import duty, whatever. That much was there. Okay, so this is to give you an idea only for the transportation. Now, I've listened to literally any guru you might think of. Timothy Ferriss, you know Tim Ferriss? 4-hour work week, 4-hour body, Tools of Titans, Tools of Titans, then Tribe of Mentors. Okay. Then Tony Robbins, I'm sure you know him. Okay. Sadhguru, I've listened to quite a number of, sessions of his. So I've listened to so many people, so many. In fact, I've even listened to the interviews by Jack Ma, by Elon Musk, and whomsoever. Now, here's my question to you. Okay, after I listen to all this, all these people, why am I not a billionaire or millionaire? Why am I not filthy rich? Why am I not the most successful person in the world? Because you can fill in the blanks. Think of a reason. Okay. Now let me ask you another question. I'm pretty sure you have listened to podcasts, you have listened to seminars and gone for conferences. How much has it improved your bank balance? Bank balance, how much money has increased? You'll say, Eloy, I'm a better person, I feel good. Yeah, or how do you measure a better person? Okay, you're more mature, you got guidance. Yeah, look, I'm not trying to say that it is total shit. I'm not trying to say that listening to all this is crap. It's not going to help you, man. See, I'll give you a specific example. You know, this 4-hour work week, Timothy Ferriss. I had a client the other day who spoke to me and told me, Eloy, I've been trying to implement the 4-hour work week. Now, what is a 4-hour work week by Tim Ferriss? What does it mean is you work only 4 hours a week and make enough money that you don't have to work over. Just imagine. In a week, you work only 4 hours. Normal human beings work 8 hours a day. But most of us working class people, 12 hours a day. Now here comes Timothy Ferris, who says work, hardly half an hour a day, and you'll work only 4 hours in a week, and you'll make enough money. Now, is this possible? Can this be possible? The answer to this is yes, it is possible to work 4 hours a week or 4 hours a month, or even 1 hour a month. Okay? However, it is possible only if your expenses are so low, your lifestyle is so simple, and your earning is so high that you don't have to work more. Now, I'll give you an example of this. If you're earning, let's say, in US dollars, and you're spending in rupees, and you're staying in, living in a bed space, just in a bed space, and you're one single person eating cheap food that is like $1, you can easily manage. Okay? Now you'll say, Loy, but there are people who are earning millions per hour. Yes, there are people who are earning millions per hour. How many do you know? How many do you know who are earning millions per hour? In fact, are you earning millions per hour? See, Jeff Bezos earns millions an hour. Elon Musk earns, Sachin Tendulkar, Manny Pacquiao, then who else? Conor McGregor, Dana White. But these people are far and few. We know their names because it's not every day that people earn like this. Now, how many Conor McGregors are there? One. How many Elon Musks are there? One. Jeff Bezos? One. Oprah Winfrey? One. So then why are we making the exception to the rule? Hi, doggy. Come. Small cute doggies. Okay, so what I was saying was, and I enjoyed a good show, no? Me with doggies. So how many do you know? In fact, let me ask you this. You see me, I'm Loy Macedo. How many Loy Macedos do you know? Let me ask you, you yourself, how many people are like you? There's nobody like you, man. So then why we bullshitting with ourselves? For example, now Timothy Ferris said 4-hour work week. Now he created a movement, and all of a sudden after he created a movement, everybody jumped on the bandwagon. Oh wow, 4-hour work week and all that. And guess what? Who became rich? Who became rich in the end? Tim Ferriss became rich in the end because you purchased his books. You went for his sessions. Then his people who were preaching his gospel, you paid money to go to their seminars. Who became rich? Only these people. Did the attendees become rich? No. Let me ask you now, there is something called digital nomad. How many digital nomads do you know who are rich? How many? See, the problem is we live in a day and age now where you can portray whatever you want online and people buy and believe that bullshit. Like for example, oh, my Lamborghini, they'll show you an expensive car. show you an expensive house. Thai Lopez, here in my garage, okay, Lamborghini and books, reading books. See, reading books is good, but it's not going to make you rich. It's not going to make you successful. This is a sad fact. It'll give you a little bit of knowledge. Like for example, if you listen to, okay, have vitamin D. Okay, vitamin D. Or someone tells you, okay, how to run a marathon in a record time, how to run a half marathon in, let's say, 1 hour. Okay, and you'll be like, oh fuck, I can run like the professionals. Yeah, he'll tell you run every day, every alternate day, practice, change your diet. Now, does that mean that you're going to break the record like this guy, or you're going to run in 1 hour? Arnold Schwarzenegger tells you train 25 sets of 25 reps. Okay, train for 3 hours in the gym. Are you going to become Arnold? Jack Ma in his conferences, what does he say? What's your secret? Oh, teamwork, hard work, have a vision, believe in something. Okay, so let's say you work hard, you delegate like Jack Ma, you believe in teamwork. What's going to happen? Here's my question. What's going to happen, man? Are you going to achieve success? Tell me. Are you going to become rich? In fact, let me ask you this. You listen to podcasts, right? After you listen to the podcast, what happens? Oh, wow, felt nice. You know, with all this books that I purchased and all this stuff that I did over the years, I've just realized that this is all knowledge. It's like reading Wikipedia. You just read it, you read someone's opinion, and that's it. People who are commercial, they will have these seminars, and they will sell you a dream. They will play on your hopes. How to achieve success, how to achieve a 7-figure business, how to achieve a high-level income, high-ticket close. They will tell you all these things. And of course, you will fall for this, because who doesn't want hopes and dreams? You'll go for the seminar. There are 2,000 people there, 3,000. Okay, how to 7x your income, 10x your income, 20x your income. Fine, you'll go. Then what happens? At this seminar, they'll upsell you. Okay, but we have this advanced program. Then we have this elite program. They'll have nice terms. Then we have this mastermind class. Nice terms, you know. Then we have this private entrepreneurs. Then you have like Dan Lok, who says the red dragon, black dragon, gold dragon, diamond dragon. All nice names. But to join, you have to pay money. See, end of the day, these guys, coaches now, they will target your dreams and your hopes in order to make you want to pay them money. And when you pay them money, they will give you so much of content that they copy pasted from the internet. So much. Work hard, believe in yourself. Like Thai Lopez. Thai Lopez's sessions are like 3 hours, 4 hours. He will talk to you on various topics, on so many terms. But if you listen to his 3-hour program, and if you write it down, you'll find out, if you wrote it down to find the gist of it, it is only one line. One line which he has dragged for 3 hours. That is how he has a 60-hour program or 300-hour program. It comes down to 30 lines. See, like for example, now I'm speaking to you how many minutes? Now this is more than 15 minutes. It's one topic. And I spoke to you and I kept on and on and on. But this is just an opinion. What is it going to do to you? Nothing. So what works? The question is, what actually works? Look, Tony Robbins, Tim Ferriss, Thai Lopez, all TTT. All these guys, they're businessmen. Whether it's Jay Shetty, whether it's Sadhguru, all are businessmen. And they have to make money, so they look at multiple streams of income. They'll sell books, audio tapes, DVDs. You listen to them. So they need a mass market. Now, if you want to really improve, listening to them talk is not going to help you change. It'll just make you aware. It's like reading in Wikipedia. Now, for example, if you read Wikipedia, if you read engineering, you don't become an engineer. If you read about science and medicine, you don't become a doctor. Okay? It takes practice. If you want to be rich like them, if you want to be successful like them, there's only one way. There is only one way. And that is you have to work with them one-on-one. See, how did I become successful? I didn't become successful because of these books, CDs, DVDs. What I got from them was just knowledge, and like a parrot, I used to repeat it and feel like I was smart and intelligent. That's all bullshit, man. That doesn't help you become rich or successful or great. What really helps you become rich, successful or great is only when you work with them, under their mentoring, under their coaching, under their guidance, under their supervision. Like how, for example, an Olympic coach, he will take you under his wing. He will pay attention to your details, how much you're running, draw a chart, customize it, improve on it, then make you work, follow up with you, and then give you corrections, then again work with you, see your progress, again change. That's the only way you can achieve success or progress. Now me, I have worked under, my mentor was Gabriel D'Souza of Quick Electric, the CEO. I was under him for 6 years, working under him. Believe it or not, I learned so much. I learned so much that I could never learn from an MBA class or a PhD or even from Harvard. It was incredible. Life lessons. My mentor, Mohammad Murad, ex-head of the Dubai Police Ambulance Section, he has been a minister for the ruling family, and he has taken various big positions. He is a CEO of very successful brands. He was my mentor for 20 plus years. It's unbelievable the amount I learned from him. My coach was Jacques Sophie, who was a Olympic trained track and field coach. He helped me improve in my triathlon. He helped me improve in my running. He helped me improve in my swimming. I had multiple injuries on my lower back, on my knees. He helped me improve. Now, he took keen interest. He sat with me and see the doggy again. Come. Come. Alright. Nice dogs. They are harmless. So what I was telling you was, with these coaches, with these big guys, they didn't take any money. They did it out of their goodness and kindness. Okay, they never took any money. With Jacques Sophie, he was a professional coach. I paid him money. Okay. There have been coaches in between who have paid money and who have helped me improve. See, today if I'm coaching, It's because I paid money to professionals to learn the art of coaching. Okay, but it was a very structured, specific one-on-one program. It was not one of these, you go for a seminar and there are 200, 300, 1,000 people. It's all bullshit here. And it's not going to help you. That is why this model is dead. And sadly, there are still people who fall for this bullshit. But it doesn't help. Hey, doggy, one more nice dog. Oh, nice doggo. 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 So, the point I'm trying to tell you here is, look, I understand you want to improve. Reading a book is just your reading. Okay, reading is good. Don't get me wrong, reading is not bad. Listening to podcasts is not bad. Watching YouTube videos, it's not that I don't do it, even I do it. But let me remind you one thing. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Manny Pacquiao, Conor McGregor, these guys, they don't spend the whole day listening to podcasts or going for self-improvement programs. Jeff Bezos must be so fucking busy. Yeah? Today, he obviously will not listen. He doesn't have the time. And you'll be like, oh, Loy, but he has reached that level. Yeah, even when he was starting, he didn't have access to all this. And I'm sure he must have spent only 1 hour or whatever. So the bottom line, what I'm trying to tell you is, not a single piece of advice from these so-called gurus or successful people is going to help you. Jack Ma will say hard work. Elon Musk will say do something different. Then Warren Buffett will say take risks. Conor McGregor will say visualize and believe. You can do all this. You are not going to be Jeff Bezos. You're not going to be Elon Musk. You're not going to be Manny Pacquiao. You're not going to be Oprah Winfrey. These are all generic pieces of advice. It's an opinion. Your life is totally unique. Even this digital nomad movement, going from place to place, sleeping, in a small little carpet bed space and living like a hippie, all sounds good. But that is provided you are ready to live on a $1 meal, eat from the road and sleep on the streets. Why do you think 90% of the world is not doing it? It's not a sustainable way. Even this 4-hour work week. How many people you know are doing it? Nobody. The only people who become rich with all this, like this Chris Galibo $100 startup and all that, the only people who make money out of all this are the people who come out with these concepts. And then there are affiliates. Affiliates are people who promote this and get commissions, at least 50%. If you pay $1,000, they get $500. Then there are these employees who work for them, staying in third world countries. It's like a big racket, And they get all these people like sheep who pay money. And that's how these guys succeed. So bottom line, what I'm trying to tell you is, look, don't fall for all these bullshit concepts. It's they come out with these sensational titles. It is just to sell. One last thing, let me give one last thing. This coach, this title coach, mentor, all these people, even people use this term strategist or expert or whatever. In order to have a PhD, you have to work for 5 years, and before that you have to get masters, before that you have to get a degree. And the problem is nowadays you have people who have fake degrees as well. Okay? But for someone to be a coach, transformational coach, self-improvement coach, happiness coach, confidence coach, what qualifications you need? Nothing. NLP coach. You can just go for a fucking seminar. I'm telling you, just go for a seminar. There are even $50 seminars. There are even $100 seminars. You just go, they'll give you a certificate and they'll tell you, you are an NLP coach. You're a transformational coach. You're a what? Passionpreneur. All these bullshit titles they'll give you. Passionpreneur, happiness coach, confidence coach, self-improvement coach, transformational coach. I mean, who the fuck recognizes these? Who regulates this industry? No one. Do you know you can be a coach right now? You can be a coach. You can call yourself a coach. Just like you speak to anyone from India, a youngster, I'm an entrepreneur. What fucking entrepreneur? How much millions you have in the bank? Jack shit. Oh, I work in co-active spaces or co-sharing spaces or whatever. That means you're going from any free table is there with a laptop. What entrepreneur? Oh, I'm an expert. What fucking expert? You have not made millions. You're advising others to make millions? Please don't fall for all these con artists, and I only respect them because they're trying to make money. But what they're selling you is bullshit. Is selling you hope. And the only way they are making money is not by living those concepts, is by teaching you those concepts. So it's like, don't do what I do. Do what I tell you. I hope you get some common sense out of this, because I see so many people still falling for this coach or magic program or 7 days to transform yourself or seminar, or just consider this entertainment like going for a movie. Consider going for a movie, nothing is going to happen after that. And trust me when I say this, any advice by Jack Ma or Timothy Ferris or Elon Musk or Manny Pacquiao or Conor McGregor, whatever advice they give you, I'm sure it's out of good intention. It's not going to help you. The only thing that's going to help you, the only thing, is one-to-one mentoring, one-to-one coaching, and a long-term investment. This going for one seminar to change your life, change your destiny, Tony Robbins, all fucking bullshit. Just like going for a movie, you feel high, you feel great. After you come out, you go back to your normal world and you'll realize nothing has happened. Anyway, I hope this gave you some insight. Let me know your thoughts. It's me signing off. You guys take care.